Hi everyone, welcome back to the PD Evolution channel. Today we're going to talk about the evolution of the Lamborghini Aventador from 2011 to now. So let's take a look and find out. 2011 Aventador LP700-4. Launched on February 28, 2011 at the Geneva Motor Show, the vehicle was designed to replace the then decade-old Murciélago as the new flagship model. The Aventador was designed by Filippo Perini. Behind the cabin, Lamborghini installed a developed 6.5-liter V12 engine, naturally aspirated, that provided 690 horsepower to a 7-speed automatic gearbox developed by Graziano Transmission. The car streaks from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds, and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. (2012) Aventador J concept. Lamborghini unveiled the Aventador J to the world at the 2012 Geneva Motor Show. The Aventador J is a radically open automobile, exterior and interior meld into each other. The designers and engineers in Sant'Agata Bolognese have not only dispensed entirely with the roof, but also with the front windshield. The Aventador J is powered by the same 6.5-liter V12 engine found in the standard Aventador. Just the single example built for the show exists. There are no other prototypes, no other plans for more. (2013) Aventador LP700-4 50th Anniversary. The Aventador 50th Anniversary is a limited edition of the Aventador LP700-4, commemorating the 50th anniversary of the Automobili Lamborghini. With its output of 720 horsepower, the 6.5-liter 12-cylinder engine in the Aventador LP700-4 50th Anniversary is 20 horsepower more powerful than the current V12 in the Aventador LP700-4. With its extremely fast-shifting ISR transmission, the Anniversary model accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.9 seconds and reaches a top speed of 350 kilometers an hour. Only 100 coupe and 100 roadsters were produced. (2013) Lamborghini Veneno. The Veneno is a limited-run one-off supercar based on the Aventador LP700-4. The Veneno was developed to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. It was introduced at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. The vehicle has a top speed of 221 miles per hour and has a 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration time of 2.8 seconds. When introduced, it had a price of $4 million, making it one of the most expensive production cars in the world. Lamborghini built just 5 examples of the Veneno Coupe and 9 roadsters. (2015) Aventador SV LP754. The Aventador SV was announced at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show. The SV meant super veloce. It can be translated to super fast. To live up to that name, the Lamborghini engineers added 50 more horsepower to the Aventador and shaved 110 pounds from its weight. The car also features improved aerodynamics with downforce increased by 180% as compared to the standard Aventador coupe. The SV accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and powers on to reach a top speed of more than 217 miles per hour. (2016) Lamborghini Centenario. The Centenario is a limited production supercar based on the Aventador SV, which was unveiled at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show to commemorate the 100th birthday of the company's founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini. The Centenario is the first Lamborghini automobile to be deployed with rear-wheel steering. The system is designed to provide added maneuverability at low speed in a city driving environment and improved stability at high speed. Only 20 coupe and 20 roadsters were produced. (2017) Aventador S LP744. The Aventador S was revealed on December 19, 2016 at the Sant'Agata factory. The official reveal of the car took place at the March 2017 Geneva Motor Show. The Aventador S is an update to the then outgoing Aventador LP700-4 with mechanical and exterior changes. The 6.5-liter V12 engine is now rated at 740 horsepower at 8,400 RPM, 40 horsepower more than the standard Aventador, and 509 pound-feet of torque at 5,500 RPM. (2018) Aventador SVJ LP774. Unveiled at the 2018 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, the Aventador SVJ is a track-focused iteration of the Aventador S and an improvement over the Aventador SV. The name stood for Super Veloce J, which can be translated to Super Fast J. The J suffix denoted the track-oriented vehicle. The Aventador SVJ is the first production V12 Lamborghini model to feature Lamborghini's aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva system. Another special edition named SVJ 63 paid homage to the foundation of the Lamborghini company in 1963. It had extensive use of carbon fiber and was built in a limited number of 63 units. (2018) Lamborghini SC18 Alston. Introduced in November 2018, the SC18 Alston is a track-focused one-off created for a customer under close collaboration with Lamborghini's motorsport division Squadra Corsa. Based on the Aventador SVJ, the vehicle incorporates aerodynamic elements taken from the Huracan GT3 and the Huracan Super Trofeo EVO. The powertrain is top-of-the-line Lamborghini, delivering the performance of a true racing car. The aspirated 6.5-liter V12 delivers 770 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and a torque of 531 pound-feet at 6,750 RPM. (2020) Lamborghini SC20. In December 2020, Lamborghini introduced the SC20, a track-focused one-off created for a customer under close collaboration with Lamborghini's motorsports division, Squadra Corsa. As a highly reworked Aventador SVJ, the SC20 gets an entirely new set of carbon fiber body panels and aero effects. The one-off car has no windscreen, giving the driver and passenger the ultimate driving experience.